Alright, 14 finals. Let's try another one. So the crowd pleaser, I picked these up 57 a box, which I don't know if it's not an incredible price. It's not bad, I don't think, for the product. 57. I think this one came out at about 90 a box when it came out in August, or maybe it was early September. But it's a nice looking product. Finest is always holds pretty good value, and you have a shot at some pretty cool cards as well. That's all you can ask for. So I'm hoping to hit the Taj Void Gold Auto in this one. I've been pretty hot lately with Tajas, so let's keep the magic going, right? I'm actually thinking about adding a bunch of singles to my website. Lower end stuff like base rookies and stuff, so you guys can just come by and grab what you need. I'll offer cheap shipping, so just because from all the breaks I'm doing, I got tons of base and rookie cards that I don't really have a need for. That's an idea for 2015. Logan Thomas Atomic. 3 stacks plus a recap. Let's get these over a little. Give myself some room to work with. That's beautiful. Teddy Bridgewater Refractor. Those are not numbered, but they're still cool. Sankey leg. Oh, I forgot to pull the hits out. I like to save those. Patch. 2 Taj Voids ready to go. There's Connor. He's starting Sunday. That could be a hot card. Oh, another Connor. Connor is starting, but Logan's not. Clay, Refractor, and Eric Abram. Base. It's a Julian. Blakey Bortles. X-Factor Vaughn for Denver. It's Anthony Thomas Refractor. That would be Danny Woodhead. He got hurt in like week 2. He was out for the year. Clowney. X-Factor. I'm just kidding. Austin Safarian Jenkins. X-Factor. Oh, I meant to say Super Refractor. We got a blue. Yeah, we got a blue. There's Jace. 99 on the blue. Recap stack. 2 patches, maybe? Possibly. Montage. One time, right? Got Bishop. Oh, that's nasty. That's camo to 10. I think those are definitely harder than 1 per case, because I've opened up probably 2 or 3 cases of this. I've never hit one. That's cool. 1 of 10. Bishop. It's one of the better hits I've had from Finest. And Manziel base rookie. I'm gonna guess Beckham Jr. with this one. Jarvis. Jersey auto, not numbered, but still a nice looking card of Jarvis. It's a nice patch too. Look at that. Look at all the colors. Alright, that's it. Allen and Devontae. Recapping it with the Jarvis, not numbered. Really nice Bishop. Titans fans. That's a card to have. That's a camo. And then blue Jace, 99. Thanks a lot.